Yes. 122 accept or reject. 122 accept or reject. It should reject. Why? Because it is more than the limit. So this is how we'll be writing the test case for all other things. This is how you'll be writing the test case for all other things. Understood? Harsha, the first scenario should be positive. From then on, you can go with negative, no issues. Sir, Komal Ganesh Chatur. Yeah, Raja, you have created no username and password for test trial. I ask you to create. Okay, I'll share you my credentials. No. See, guys, you should not mention valid data, invalid data. So nowhere you should not mention valid data, invalid data. While writing a test case, you are giving order to the test engineer for executing. Understood? You should not give him any option. You should not give him any option. Tulika, while writing scenarios. While writing scenarios. Okay. So when you are writing any test case, you should give him order. That means you have to do this. So if you observe in test scenarios, what we have written, you have written enter 120 alphabets. Correct. So the particular campaign name text field should accept 121 characters or not. You have written in that manner. But if you come to test case, how we have written? We have written that enter 120 characters. I'm asking him to enter. That's it. Am I giving any choice here? No. No, I'm not giving any choice here, correct? And I am only giving him the input. Input also I am only giving to him. Yes or no? So that choice you should not give for the test engineer. You should tell you have to do this. That fellow should have to do this. That's it. Understood? Komal, I'm sharing you. Just give me 1 second. Yes, Vishnu. 121, not 120, 121, Vishnu. Sir, integration test case, do we need to write the test cases for marriage again? Yes, yes, Divya, you have to. Ritika, sir, do we need to write 6 test cases in functional test? No, just write 1 test case. If you know how to write, that is enough. Okay. Sachin, write only for 90. Guys, functional test case, write only 90 steps. Don't write for 150. Komal, just check, I've shared. Sir, campaign text field, we have to write 90 scenarios. Yes, yes, yes. Campaign text field, write 90 scenarios. Should I fill all the details from beginning, Kavyashree? No, Kavyashree. You will get username and password. No, just you can follow the same thing, Kavyashree. You can follow the same thing. Don't write for error guessing. Don't write for error guessing. Not required. Sir, here also the combination of numbers specific. Yes, yes, yes. Here also you write the combinations. Yes, combinations also you have to write. Yes, Harsh Yadav. Gautami, nothing. Whatever the test case we have written, just follow the same thing and just do it. Divyashree, all 6 steps are on screen. Divyashree, all 6 steps are on screen. Yes, whatever I have sent is for reference. Priya, I'll tell that. Don't worry. Priya, I'll tell you that. Yes, in real time also verify that we will start. Yes, Santosh. Yes, now we have to write test case. Please do that. Divya Prakash, preconditions are same for everything. You have written preconditions for integration testing, same thing. Yes, Ritika. Or Rajendra, you need to give any one value. Right now, I have told you here, either you can give yes or no, but you have to give only one value. Yes. Sir, like we wrote the test case for assignment. Yes, Harsh Yadav, correct. Sir, what about other text fields in campaign? Yes, for each and every text field, you need to write each and everything. But here we are just writing only for one. If you know how to write for one thing, you can do for other things, no? Yes, Praveen Kumar. No, Suraj Niyogi, that whatever I've shared the Excel sheet, it's for reference. You can follow that and you can just use it. Simple. Okay. So that is for reference. Guys, one by one, I'll reply. Don't worry. Okay. So don't be hurry also. So when we are writing the test case, developers are still developing the software. Yes, Divya. That is what you need to verify with the requirement. How to create title. I'll show you the title. Yes, here it is a title. Sir, we will be working on defect tracking tool as well. Yes, Harsh Yadav will be working next week. Sunil, press back button. Sir, can you please Kumar Gaurav, I have shared for one module. Okay. So when I share for one module, you can take it as a reference and you can go with other modules also. I've shared it for campaign. The same thing you can follow for other modules as well as other components also. Correct. See, one thing, I cannot give you the whole thing, whatever it is there in the software. I cannot write all the scenarios. If I write what you will write. Correct. So I'll give you a reference. If you have any doubts, let me know. I'll clear it out. You have to write. Reshma from requirement number. That's it. Yes, Abhilasha. Yes, Manoranjan. Correct. Kavisri, I'll tell later. Please work on this right now. I'll tell you. Don't worry. 100% I'll. You need to specify that set values, Jyoti. So in set you will be having values, no? You have to specify that values. Requirement document, Reshma. Requirement document. Right now, give whatever number you know. Komal, that is correct only. Komal, that username Manikanta, small m, type small m, just check. So what are the ranges for the characters we need to have the modules? Manaranjan, take your own this thing range, no issues. Sir, will it mention that requirement which type of testing we need to do? I'm asking like with any monitor testings. In meetings they will specify Sriram Shravani. So whatever meetings we are conducting, in that meetings they will specify what type of testings to be done, what type of testings not to be done. So when you are preparing test plan itself, they'll decide what type of testings to be done. Okay. Yes. Who is that? And I'm reading message again, the typing something, no? Someone typed, sir, when I click on test case major tab, it is showing only integration test cases. Check whether any, what is this, filter is applied, sort is applied or what. Click on that title name, Kaushal. Click on the title. So you have created add case. Now click on that case. You will get to this page. Yes, Saubhagya. Yes, Harsh Yadav. We'll be starting with smoke testing only. Komal, change the browser. Change the browser. Anita, one is enough. One is enough, Anita. Jyoti, no, don't specify. Jyoti, Jyoti, don't specify. Yes, what is this? Fucker, yes. Trainers and different things. See, what is this? Kumar, there is no specific process for writing test cases or test scenarios. Okay, so depends upon company standards, depends upon the test engineer standard, he will follow the specific process, what he know. Okay, an industry doesn't specify any particular process that you need to follow this one only for writing a test cases. It depends upon them. So in which whatever you are expertised, that means whatever process you are comfortable, whatever process you can write, so we can follow the same thing. Understood? And it is not a crime also. So that is what we will be having. What is this? The test case. I hope your trainers were have specified you. The process of writing test cases will varies from company to company, project to project, tool to tool. Correct? So why? Because we don't have a specific process in that. Okay. So it depends upon the company standards as well as the test engineer standards. So no one will ask why are you writing test cases still, sir. In my previous company, we have followed in this. Simple. In my previous company, I have followed this process. So I'm writing in this. So in our company, if we are following any new process, tell me, I will follow that. So this is how you have to talk. You have to talk with the confidence. Praveen, just later I'll just do that. Praveen. Yes, Mohit.
Sir, our test scenario will be campaign name text field should accept between 5 to 15 alphabets, right?
That
So,
is the example what I have shared in this thing, Excel sheet, correct?
yes, sir. So
Yes, you can
here,
follow 6 to 121, no issues.
okay, here we have followed 6 to 121, sir, because in
Yes, you
second
can.
test scenario,
You,
okay, 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 sir, thank
yes,
you.
yes. Okay, okay. Suraj from VMware. From VMware you can get it. Suraj on Yogi. From VMware you can get it. When you open VMware, you will be having URL there itself. In input, Jyoti, give it in input, no issues. Or else you can give it in the step. Select India in the campaign name drop down. Okay, you can mention it, Jyoti. Yes. Please continue with writing the test cases. See, guys, when you start writing, you won't get these many doubts. While going on, when you are into the flow, everything will be fine. Please continue. Please start writing the test cases. In middle, if you got any doubts, let me know. I'll clear it out. Please go on. Start writing system test case also, what I've shared. Okay, yes. Everyone observe the screen once. Blank space, I'll tell you how to write test case for blank space. Now what I will do, now what I will do, I will enter 5 blank spaces or else enter one blank space. Enter one blank space. How to represent a blank space means you have to open the bracket and then double quotes and a blank space and close the bracket. So this is how you will be representing blank spaces. Understood everyone? Understood everyone? Yes. So if I write like this, it all combination will be one blank space. And don't think that, sir, brackets or double quotes will be special characters. No, correct. But if I write them in this combination, this is blank space. Understood? I want reply from everyone. Yes. Clear? So now I want to represent two blank spaces. How to represent two blank spaces? Simple. Observe. So I'll open a bracket, space, and then a comma, and then again a double quote, space, double quote, close. So this is two blank spaces. This is two blank spaces. If I want to represent 5 blank spaces, how to represent 5 blank spaces? How to represent 5 blank spaces? See, in industry, you will be working less if you know copy pasting easily. Understood? You should know how to copy paste. So this is 5 blank spaces. Understood? Understood everyone? Yes. Now can you write for 120? Can you write for 120? Yes. Same process. Now see what I will do here. Now see what I will do here. This is 5, correct? So I'll just copy it. I'll just copy it. Just observe the screen everyone. Simple manner I'll tell you. Paste and then copy once again. So I'll just copy it. So now how many are there? Now how many are there? 5 are there. Now I'll copy it once again. 10. Now how many are there? Now how many are there? 10. Correct. So just copy. Yo, copy. Yes, paste it. Now how many are there? 20. Correct. Yes. Copy once again. Or select all 20 and copy. Now 40. 40 are there. Now copy. Control V once. Control V twice. Now 120 are there. Simple. Understood? Understood? Yes. Clear everyone? That is what I've tell you, Harsh Yadav. So here, when you are giving this combination, it is not treated as a special character. It's treated as a blank space. Understood? It's not a special character now. It's a blank space. Yes. So can you write it now? Yes. Easy. Komal, I'll tell you. I'll tell you later. First work on this. You want me to share the file once again? Okay. Abhishek, I'll take one class on that. Until then, have patience, Abhishek. So once again, I'm sharing this file. Check it out. Komal, why have you not created test-trail account, Komal? Why you have not created test-trail account? When I took class, 2 days I've taken that class. What happened those 2 days? Not one day also. I've taken class for 2 days. 2 times I've repeated. Jyoti, no, don't mention. I've already told this question. No, don't mention. Yes, Badrika. Bandari, sorry. Yes, you have to give. Yes, Komal, I'll tell it once again. After the test-trail, the sessions are completed, I'll tell once again how to create test-trail account. Don't worry. Once again, I'll mention. Komal, if test-trail is not opening, if you are not able to access it, meanwhile, write it in Excel sheet. Meanwhile, write it in Excel sheet. Tulika, mentioned in screen, see on the screen, notepad. So you have to follow the same process for mentioning all those things. Okay, yes. So the same process you need to follow. It should accept. Oh, why? Because in Excel sheet, the range is from 5 to 15, Sunil. In Excel sheet, it is from 5 to 15. Not everyone, only for one fellow, his test trail is not working, it seems. So that is the reason I asked him to write in Excel sheet. Remaining fellows, please write it in test trail only. Don't go for Excel sheet. Sir, how to change the expected result right inside? Uh, how to change? You can edit, no? Gokul Raj, you can edit. Yes, Komal. Accept. Tulika, it should accept. Why? Because customer requirement is specifying 6 to 121 characters. Supriya, only one test case is enough. One test case with 90 steps. Yes, Jyoti. Sunil, why are you creating 90 test cases? One test case, 90 steps you will get whatever I have written on the screen. In the same manner, in the same test case, you have to write all those things. Okay. Yes. Yes, very good. Just continue. Supriya. Sir, 90 steps. 90 steps boundary value analysis, Supriya. Saubhagya. No, it should accept. Accept other than range, whatever characters you are giving, whatever combinations you are giving, it should accept. Jyoti, type. Same, use notepad. Use notepad. You'll get to know. Use notepad. Jyoti, Suraj. Use notepad. Sir, can you show first five test cases except Kanban? What is first five test cases, sir? When I didn't understand what is that. Yes, single number, correct. Jyoti, no need of specifying anything in test cases. Whatever you are giving, he has to do. That's it. You no need of specifying positive or negative, boundary value analysis, all those things. No need of mentioning in test cases. Simple. Okay. Tulika Bandari depends upon range. So it is 121. You have to give 120, 121, 122 also. No. Abhay, not required. Yes, Abhilasha. Yes, Harsh Yadav, correct. Yes, Jyoti, correct. In the same manner, you will be typing for 120. Simple. Yes. Yes, Supriya, you can do that, Supriya. Actual result and status, we know that we will be entering while execution, no? So here also we will be getting that columns while execution only. Aparna Kumar. Okay. So we'll be getting that columns while executing. Until then, you cannot see that. Don't worry. Tilika, it depends upon range. If it is 5 numbers, give 5 numbers. If it is 10 numbers, give 10 numbers. If it is 120 numbers, give 120 numbers. Sunil, sir, 120 numbers can be write it counting. Ah, you can check in notepad. So 120 numbers, whatever it is, you can open the notepad. You can check the columns. Don't worry. Don't take what is this donkey job. Yes, Jyoti, correct. Fantastic. Very good. Komal, for special characters also same process. Sunil, guys, I'm audible. I've already told I'm giving answer asking the same question. Sunil, you can check it in tab. What is this? Notepad, Sunil. You can check columns. Yes, Abanya. Abhinay. Yes, correct. Special characters. You don't know special characters. Ampersand, hash, and then star. What is this? At the rate, apostrophes, commas, full stops. See if it is colon is 121, then the alphabets are 120. Always you should minus one, Sunil. Yes, Monoranjan. So we have to write 6 steps remaining combinations. We have to. Sunil, no, not required. So total 90 steps with all possible inputs. We have to write. Yes, Vikas. Vikas, yes. So all the 90 steps, whatever it is, it's a possible inputs you have to give. So you have to write the step also. You need to give the input also. Yes, Harsh Yadav. Yeah, Pavitra. In the same manner, you can continue the numbers. Gautami, just go for other steps also. You have written 90 scenarios, no? On campaign name text field. Just write the remaining things. Yes, Jyoti, you need to give only the correct value. Why? Because there we are going with the flow. We are not checking functionality. Because it depends upon how they write. See, how much, see, that is why we are writing only two test cases, three test cases per day. If you complete all these 90 steps in one test case, that means you have written only one test case in that day. So now you got to know why we are writing only two test cases, three test cases. Yes, that is the reason. And now you will not be spending whole day in writing the test cases again, correct? Whole day I won't write test case. I have to write the test case. I have to execute the test case. I have to attend meetings. I have to do defect tracking. Yes or no? So all the works we have to do it in one day itself. So that is the reason we'll be writing only three test cases or two test cases or five test cases or 10. Very less. Jyoti Suraj, just give the special character for 120 times. Simple. Go to notepad, count there, whether you are getting 120 or not. In columns, okay? Yes. No, Gautami, don't write the range in test cases. You should not write the range in test cases. Yes, Tulika, that is correct. Whatever you are giving, it should be in range from 16 to 121. If it is from 6 to 121, it should accept. Other than that, 5 also reject, 122 also reject. Okay, Bandari. Yes. Gautami, it is already on. You can just request. Yes, Priya. The range will be giving only in test scenarios. Yes, Gautami.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir. You are
Yes.
given range notes, sir, 6 to 120. That is an
Yes.
own, like we can give 6 to 120 number also we can give notes, sir.
Yes, you can give.
Okay. In that number we have to mention alphabets, otherwise blank space, and then special character also we can use, no, sir.
Yes,
We
yes.
have to
That
use
is no
this and
problem.
all, and then we can write 90 cases, right, no, sir?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
By
Okay, sir.
applying boundary value analysis, we have written, no, Gautami?
Sir?
That is what you have to write 90.
Okay, okay, sir. Fine, fine.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
Gautami.
thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Yes, Jyoti, you can continue that. You can do that. Yes, Surabhi. You have to do -1. Yes, are you guys are converting? Everyone is converting, yes, to test case. From scenarios to test case. Yes, please do that. Why? Because if we want to do execution, if we want to do execution, that should be there. Reshma, Monday we'll see about system testing. Kazid, you can write characters, no issues. Yes, Jyoti, you can use it. Jyoti, you can use it. Yes, Komal, it includes. Yes, Surabhi, you have to continue with the 90 steps. Yes, Surabhi, you need to start with numbers. Yes, Pavitra.
Yes, sir. Actually, I've saved the test steps all. Oh,
Okay.
once we saved it, how to delete any steps, sir?
Just click on edit again.
Okay, I've clicked on it, but that option is not coming. That red and green
There you
option.
have plus icon. No, how like add step button is there, correct?
Yes, sir.
Next step above that you have plus symbol and into symbol, which is deleting symbol, red button.
Yes, sir. But for some steps, it is not coming.
No, it will come for everything. Just refresh.
Yeah, I've logged out and logged in also. Actually, I've created one rule for special character, copying all the steps. So thought of
Okay.
editing it, but it's not working.
No, you can edit it. It is editable. Where are you? Like just click on edit button. No, in which page you are. So whatever test case you have written, you are getting the test case. How I've gotten the same page.
Yes, sir.
Just one second. This is the page what you have got, correct? No.
Yeah, yes,
Just
yes.
on edit. Just click on edit. Now, if I want to delete this step, just click on this red window, which is the delete one. So the step will be removed.
Okay, sir. I actually what I've done was I thought of sharing this to other steps also. Then clicked on share and created that rule to
No, don't do that. Don't do that. It's a long process.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay. If I think any process is easy for you, I will only teach. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. So I've told you some tricks, no, from Notepad and all. Why? Because it will help you. I'll tell you whatever it is helpful for you. Yeah, Shubham. You have to do for the combinations also. Guys, Monday we have class. Monday we have class. Monday I'll take the session. Why? Because this week already we have got 1.5 day. So yesterday I have not taken the session and Monday I left at 8 o'clock, 8:30 itself, 8 o'clock. So Monday I'll take the class. 2 hours only, no? Yes. Monday I'll take the session. Yes, Monday regular timing, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Whatever it is, timings will not change. No, Shraddha, requirement says it should accept characters. Characters means alphabets also, numbers also, special characters also, blank space also. So it should accept according to requirement. Yeah, Kajit, you can go with this. Shivani, no. Sir, 120 combinations of alphabets and numbers. Uh, yes, Pavitra.
Sir, actually, I have one doubt regarding this system testing and integration testing, sir. So, system testing means in one module we are completely testing from end to end, right, sir?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Integration also we are writing the same like that
But we
only.
are checking the data flow. See, if you observe carefully over there, in one module, I'm checking for creating campaign one test case, editing campaign one test case, deleting one test case, restoring one test case, cloning one test case. So total 5 test cases I'm writing for integration.
Yes, sir.
But for system, we are combining everything and we are writing. But in middle, we are not checking the data flow. So don't worry, I'll give you the clarity on Monday on system test cases.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Then you can differentiate between system and this thing.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Supriya, yes, you can try that. No issues. That is what complete negative point of your ad hoc testing is all about. Yes, Ritika. It should accept that. Yes. Yes, Supriya. Kamal, I'll do that. Call, we'll do that. Don't worry. So right now, continue with this. Later, we'll go one by one. Jyoti, regarding drop down, I'll take one class. First, work on this functional test case. That we will see later. Okay, Jyoti. I'll explain clearly in detail. Right now, leave. Yeah, Jyoti Suraj. Yes, you can go with this. Yeah, Reshma Sultan, you can go with this. No issues. That combination, you can do that. Yeah, Gautami.
Sir,
Yeah, Gautami.
enter 121 alphabets like that you have mentioned, no, sir. In that
Hmm.
place, you mentioned only alphabet, no? Like
Hmm.
that, like we have to enter in 121 special character means only we have
Hmm.
to enter special character rather than we have to use everything, no, sir, numbers and then characters
No,
and
if it is only special characters, obviously you'll enter only special characters.
okay, okay, fine. Whatever we have to write, no, sir, that one only we have to follow, no, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, you can do that. You can do that, Surabhi. Yes, Yamuna. Yes, Yamuna. Yes. Mm. Sunil, you can go with this. Sunil, it's fine.
Hello.
Yeah, Muna.
Sir, for combinations, we need to mention the numbers like alphabet numbers and number of numbers. Individually, we have to mention, or totally we have to mention.
See, if you are, see, I have given alphabets, correct? In the
Yeah.
same manner, you will be giving five numbers, six numbers, seven numbers, 120 numbers, 121 numbers, 122 numbers. Done.
For
In the same
combinations,
manner,
I'm asking.
five five special characters, six special characters, and some same blank spaces, and same five alphanumerics, six alphanumerics, seven alphanumerics, or else five characters, and then you can give the numbers and
No need
alphabets.
of mentioning the number of alphabets or number of numbers. Like,
No, no, no,
okay,
don't
not
mention.
individually, we should not
No,
mention.
not
Okay.
required, not required.
Not required. And the numbers which we can take also, it's not unique like.
No, no issues. If it is repeated, also nothing will happen.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Priya, 6, 7, 121, 120. Kaushal, yes. Aparna Kumar, what is the question? Apan Kumar. Yeah, guys, Apan Kumar asked one question. Just listen to the question. So it's an interview question. It seems. Just observe. So if you know the functionality of an application, but you don't know what is this, you don't have any supporting documents, how you will proceed for the testing? Like what you will be your approach? Yes, simple. Here I know functionality, that means I know how the application will work, correct? So obviously I'll explore. Exploratory is the main thing, Aparna Kumar. I'll explore, I'll try to find what are the components I have. Why? Because I know functionality, so definitely I know how application will work. So now what I will do, I'll explore and I'll find the components and I'll check the data flows. I'll test the application by writing the scenarios and test cases. Okay. Yes, Ranjit.
Hello, sir. We can write including numerical number also and alphabetical and a special character also. I can put in input, sir,
Yes.
with the combination like not only with the combination with numerical number also and alphabetical and a special character also we can
Yeah.
include.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yes, correct, everyone. We need to do exploratory. We have to explore the application. That's it. Yes, Ritika. Right now, only that one. See, pesticide paradox means you'll be finding in defect questions, no? So when you got to the defect questions, there you will find pesticide paradox. So executing the same test case for different test cycles, you will be not finding defects anymore. So that is pesticide paradox, Aparna Kumar. Second question: if there is any links in the modules, not available, call the links as yes, it's called as link only. Jyoti. And one more question: static and dynamic testing. Yes, you will be finding in VNV model, Apan Kumar. Static testing, testing the verifying the documents, CRS, SRS, high level design, low level design. Dynamic testing, verifying the functionality of an application. Yes, Supriya. Yes, it should reject, but according to customer requirement, it should accept. That's it. We are testing according to customer requirement. Yes, Swati. Yes, Swati. You are writing only for campaign text field. Nine zero, Ramya, not 1990. Shraddha, same. How we are including for alphabets and numbers, in the same manner you will include for blank spaces and other alpha. So A, B, C, D, and then one blank space. So representation of blank space I've already told you. Okay, I'll display the blank spaces on screen. Shraddha, no. When you are doing that combinations, it is not considered as special character. See, if you want to try to write for alphabets and A, B, C, D, and a blank space. Simple. Yeah, Saubhagya, you can give that name, no issues. So now everyone got to know how to write functional scenarios? Yes. Sorry, test cases. Now you have an idea. Now you got a basic idea how to write the test cases? Yes. So I'm giving you time. Is this time is helpful or else you will do it later? Shall I continue with the topic or else you want time to practice in the classes itself? If you have got any doubts, you can ask. So based on that, we can proceed to the next classes. If I can explain everything and I can give you time at your home. After the session, you can write. No, sir, we want to write it in class. Please do this process itself. We'll do it in the class itself. So if you got any doubts, you can ask me in the class itself. Yes. So why? Because in the last time review, someone has written that I'm giving most time in the class. So I don't want it to be happen. So whatever you tell, I'll just give it in the class itself. Yes.
Hi, sir.
Yes. Hi, colleague.
Sir, sorry. This is a combination of alphabets and space. So
Okay.
A, B, C, D, and then space. Like suppose 120 should be there. So A, B, C, D, like that alphabet and space combination, like show 120. It's not
Yes.
one alphabets or two alphabets
No.
like that.
No. No.
So I mean,
So write
sir.
120. Let us assume 121 alphabets. So 120 alphabets plus one blank space finish.
Okay, 120 alpha. If for 121 I'm taking, so 120
Hmm.
alphabets plus one blank space. It's gonna be
That is
fine,
enough.
right?
Yes.
Okay, got it. Okay, thank you, sir.
Oh, yes. So please work on that. And some people are using my test trail credentials. Some people have created test trail credentials. Some people have not created test trail credentials. If you are working on test trail, no issues. Just continue. If not, just open this Excel sheet and start writing the test cases in Excel sheet. And I will tell you once after the test trial is completed, once again, I'll teach you how to create a test trial account. Why? Because in minute, I don't want to disturb the flows. So once all the test cases has been completed, maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday, we'll be starting with the lab. So once we have started with that, then again, I'll tell you how to create test trial account. Okay. Maybe I'll be telling you on Monday. Monday class, we'll see. And so before that, please work on that. Please complete the test cases. Why? Because for doing execution, we need test cases. Yes or no? Without test cases, can we execute a test case without there is a test case? No, it's not possible. So please write as many test cases as possible. Most probably, we can write more integration test cases, and I'll share the system test case example also, reference what is this test case. So please follow that and please finish it off. Monday, once again, I'll give you time for writing the test cases of system testing, and we will start with the revision from Tuesday. Is it clear? Yes. So that's all for the day. Yes, Monday we have class. Monday we have class. Monday we'll discuss of FT. Sorry, ST. Yes. So that's all for the day. We'll meet on Monday class. Until then, tata, bye bye. So happy weekend. Enjoy weekend. Stay healthy. Be healthy. Bye bye. You can do that. You can do that, Sunil. Sunil, you can do that. Sunil, no issues. You can do that, Sunil. Okay. Yes. Bye bye. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. Yes, Sunil. Multiple blank spaces. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone.